Yeah, well, going everyone, Bunny here. So by this point, I'm sure most persons have already heard that bad boy Trevor, one of our very own, at this point, I'd even call him legendary actors here in Jamaica, was recently arrested, presumably at his home residence. As you can see on your screen here, we have an article courtesy of the Jamaica Star. I'll leave the link in the description. It's a very short article, so this video in essentially won't be very long. So, as it's titled, Bad Boy Trevor arrested for hosting pool party during COVID lockdown. Actor and nightclub proprietor Bad Boy Trevor, given name Garfield Reed, was arrested and charged after a police team raided a pool party being hosted by him being held at Plantation Drive. Kind of wonky wording there, but hey. St. Andrew on Sunday night. Reed, 50, was charged with breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, Noise Abatement Act, SOE Act, and Spirit License Act. He was arrested alongside 22-year-old cashier Keneal Smith. The police shut down the party and seized a console and a quantity of liquor. An earlier post on Bad Boy Trevor's Instagram page advertised a Girl Farm Sundays pool party event. Now, by the time this video goes up, I'm pretty sure Trevor is pretty much out of quote unquote lockup at this point. I believe that should be the case. But all in all, I just want to give my 2 cents on this. Now, with the whole madness going on with the virus, kind of have to phrase it like that because of YouTube's policies. Yeah, I think each and every person has a responsibility to be the law at this point, not endanger anybody else in terms of infection, kind of curtail things while it's in the bud, or nip it while it's in the bud, as they say. So, like, if I'm really talking about things in black and white, yeah, Trevor kind of wrong for that keep the host the parties and all that. But at the same time, life still goes on, if you get what I mean. So even though I kind of phrase that or talk about that in black and white, it's not as black and white. So more this was just like a way for him, especially since he can't like outright open the club Lucky 38 like one time. Given the situation, I guess he was just being a bit quote unquote innovative, kind of trying to make some money. You know, at the same time, because of course he still has to provide for his family more than likely. So that's really and truly it. So things aren't as black and white. I'm not saying he was right, but at the same time, I can understand why. Of course, give me your opinion in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. As I said, it's not right. Wrong move on his part. Probably could have handled the situation different in terms of how he approached. I guess probably could have invested in a more online based event given the circumstances. I think that would have been more appropriate. So yeah, let me know what you think. Of course, later on I will be re-uploading Shebada goes to comes to town. I was having some problems with it on the channel here regarding YouTube. It is already on the channel and there's no problem for you guys to watch it, but I'll be re-uploading it, so you can look out for that later. And yes, me know when still want the next part a double dose, don't worry, that's gonna come on either Friday or latest Saturday. So between that Thursday to Saturday bracket. So yeah, me know one thing same way. And yeah, don't crucify me on the double dose spot, but I just saw it go. But still, I appreciate the support and for you guys tuning in CM speed. Don't crucify me. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Just a short discussion. Just want to kind of get the opinions of most of you out there and see what you're saying about the whole situation regarding one of our own theater legends at this point. So Bunny, be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications for whenever I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one.